Hello, you are welcome and thank you for coming. If you're new here, you are welcome. Hello, you are welcome and thank you for coming. If you're new here, you're welcome. Thank you for coming. This is the Tecno Camon 30 series. What about this phone? Wow. Yeah, Tecno Camon 30. What about this phone? Android 14 HIOS. The storage of this phone is 256 gig. Battery of this phone is 500 amps with 70 watts wired charge. Camera is 50 amps camera. Oh, size of this phone is 6.78 inch. What I said earlier about this phone, this phone is 256 gram with 70 watts wired charge. Yes, of course, this phone has a fingerprint. Yes, the display of this phone is AMOLED. Thank you for coming. See you on my next video. My advice for you is just go to the nearest shop around you and find more about this phone. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you for coming here. If you're here, please subscribe to this video. If you're new here, come back and watch for more video here. Thank you for coming. You are welcome.